In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Yahoo Mail to your Windows desktop in just a few quick steps. This is a simple trick that can make opening Yahoo Mail faster and more convenient, especially if you use it every day. Instead of searching through your browser or typing the website address each time, you'll have an easy desktop shortcut ready to go. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once Yahoo Mail is open, take a moment to resize the browser window so you can also see part of your Windows desktop behind it. This step is important because you need both the browser and the desktop visible at the same time. Next, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. On the left side of the URL, you'll see the lock icon. Click and hold that lock icon. While holding it down, drag it away from the address bar and move it toward your desktop. As you do this, you should see the shortcut being created. When you're over your desktop, release the mouse button to drop it there. Windows will now create a shortcut that points directly to Yahoo Mail. Once that's done, you can rename the shortcut if you want, so it's easier to recognize later. Just right-click the shortcut, choose Rename, and type something like Yahoo Mail. After that, you can double-click the shortcut anytime to open Yahoo Mail faster from your desktop. This is a great way to save time and keep your workflow simple. If the shortcut doesn't appear right away, just make sure you drag the lock icon itself and not the page title or another part of the browser. Also, remember that this method works best when you're using Yahoo Mail in a browser window, not in a minimized tab. And that's it. You've successfully added Yahoo Mail to your Windows desktop. Now you have a quick and easy shortcut that gets you straight into your inbox whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one.